Google Tricks. Easily mass delete all your emails. Tired of Gmail clutter? Is your inbox overflowing with emails you don't need? We've all been there. This video will show you how to mass delete emails in Gmail, reclaiming your inbox in minutes. An overflowing inbox can be overwhelming. It makes it hard to find important messages and can impact your productivity. Spending hours deleting emails one by one is a huge waste of time. Imagine trying to find that crucial email from your boss buried under hundreds of promotional offers. It's a nightmare. Let's fix that. Gmail offers several ways to delete emails in bulk. We'll cover the most efficient methods to clear out your inbox quickly. Get ready to say goodbye to inbox chaos. First, use the search bar to filter emails by sender, date, or keywords. This allows you to target specific groups of emails for deletion. For example, search for newsletter to find all your subscriptions. Next, select all emails matching your search criteria. Click the checkbox at the top of your inbox to select all emails on the current page. Then click Select all conversations that match this search to select all emails across all pages. Finally, click the Delete button, the trash can icon. Confirm the deletion and watch your inbox shrink. Remember, deleted emails go to the trash folder where they're permanently deleted after 30 days. Want to take your Gmail management to the next level? Use filters to automatically delete certain types of emails as they arrive. This is perfect for newsletters or promotional emails you never read. Create a filter based on the sender's address or keywords in the subject line. Then, set the filter to automatically delete matching emails. This keeps your inbox clean without any manual effort. Another tip, regularly empty your trash folder to free up storage space. Gmail offers a generous amount of storage, but it can fill up over time. Emptying the trash ensures you don't run out of space. You now have the tools to conquer your Gmail inbox. No more endless scrolling and wasted time. Start using these mass deletion techniques today to reclaim your productivity. Try these tips right now. Go to your Gmail inbox, identify the types of emails you want to delete, and follow the steps outlined in this video. Subscribe to our channel for more time-saving tech tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who are struggling with inbox overload.